Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto exchange for options trading. Today, the markets fell significantly, and there are signs that markets will be reversing that trend. Number one, the global cues have been very bad. And today, I think most of the European markets are down for 6 straight days. And US markets closing probably will be closing lower for the week. The first losing streak in last many weeks. And even Japan and Hong Kong fell 2%. So, number one, the global cues were very, very weak. And number two, there was a news that Securities Exchange Commission of US, which is something like SEBI there, is looking into Adani issues. So that has dented the sentiment in Adani stocks. I think at some point of time, Adani Enterprise fell 10%. Closing basis, I think it was down by about 7%. So generally, when there is a word scam, so markets tend to react violently on the negative side. So that is what has happened. And second thing, Accenture results came and they gave a lower guidance. So that has dented sentiment in IT stocks. So TCS, Infosys, and all IT stocks fell. Then after that, there was some scam regarding bribe for jobs in TCS. So again, the TCS fell. So when TCS falling, Infosys falling, Adani stocks are falling, Reliance is coming under selling pressure, just a normal profit booking. And how long HDFC Bank can hold the market? And today, surprisingly, for most part of the day, Bank Nifty was in green while the Nifty was in red. But on a closing basis, even the Bank Nifty also came under selling pressure. So today it's really a very, very bad day. For second straight day, mid caps and small caps fell more than 1%. So at the end of the day, it's only HDFC Bank and HDFC. Today IndusInd Bank has outperformed the market. So these are all trying to hold the market while the broader market is falling. So just yesterday, Nifty went very close to all-time high, just 2 points away from all-time high, and then fell. And today it is nearly 200 points lower than that all-time high. So things are looking really very bad, turning very fast. As I've been telling you, usually an uptrend lasts between 10 to 12 weeks only. So the 12 weeks is almost over, and there is a possibility of trend reversal now. So if the trend has to reverse from higher side to lower side now, and otherwise the rally will be very, very powerful from here. So there are signs of trend reversal. So looking at the open interest, there is a massive amount of call rating happening at 18,800 call option. And of course, weekly options, can always go wrong. And tomorrow, if there is some good news, if the market gap up, these people may have to run for cover. But this whole month, the Nifty has respected the trading range of 18,500 to 19,000. But today, the only bad news is that it has broken the center point. 18,500 to 19,000 is the range. The midpoint is 18,750. And today, that 18,750 was broken decisively and closed below that. So this is happening despite some positives in banking stocks. So therefore, this leads to the suspicion that the trend may be reversing soon. But anyway, we have to just wait for 1 or 2 more trading sessions for the confirmation. So Bank Nifty is still a long way to go. Number one, Adani stocks fell, and everyone knows that the State Bank of India has maximum exposure to Adani Group stocks. I'm not talking about equity investment, I'm talking about the loan. State Bank of India has given maximum amount of loan to Adani Group companies. So therefore, State Bank of India started falling, and it is hugely underperforming the market. So State Bank of India falling, Axis Bank falling, ICICI Bank falling, and Reliance falling, and Kotak Bank, there is nothing to speak about Kotak Bank. So overall, things are looking really very bad. So it is time to be a bit cautious on the higher side now. I think now Nifty all-time high will have to wait at least for a few more weeks. So that is the way the markets are panning out right now. So today is a Friday, so there's nothing much to discuss, and except that the FIIs and DIIs were both net sellers. They have sold for more than 1,000 crore put together. So that is also not a good sign. So the rest of the things we will discuss during Sunday and Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio podcast. Thank you for listening.